Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another video. Yeah, today's video is a home bargains, Poundland and all the bargain shop hauls. So basically just a brief little backstory. Every time I go to my mum's, and obviously I do try and go like once a month, but sometimes it ends up being once every 2 months. She does give me a bag of goodies from home bargains and Poundland and these sort of bargain shops, and she buys me those little like plugins and the cleaning stuff and all that, and she gives me bags full of stuff. So I've literally just been to Manchester last weekend, or a couple of weekends ago, and I've got 4 big bags because obviously it's 2 months worth, as mum always says, 2 months worth of cleaning stuff that she gives me, and I just want to share it with you because it's kind of exciting what you get in there. So yeah, so let's get right into the video. Delve into these bags here. I'm going to show you the first thing. Now I particularly like Comfort, so she's got me obviously the strawberry and lily here, so this is quite a jumbo size, but not as big as this one. This one's even bigger. This one is also strawberry and lily. So yeah, she got me those two, which I think are amazing. Keeps me well stocked up. And what I'll do later as well, at the end of the video, I'll show you my little stockpile in the garage as well, which is fabulous. This just ensures that I never run out of anything. She actually got me another one of those as well, so that's 3 lots of that. Now she also got me the Comfort Intense. I don't think we've tried this before. This is Fuchsia Passion. I think this is meant to be quite a lot stronger. Oh, that does smell nice, to be fair. So yeah, I've got a bottle of that as well. This is going to last me quite a while. I've told her that I don't need anything for ages now. So that's that one. Along with that as well, I do like to use these pearls. Now you can get the Unstoppables, but I think they're quite expensive. Now you can get these ones from Wilkinson's, and I think these are just as good. And these are very fragranted as well. Yeah, they're quite strong. They smell really nice too, and they are a fraction of the price of the Unstoppables. So I would recommend these if you're a bit on a budget. I'm always on a budget, and plus I don't even pay for these. Mum gets them. So, but I find these just as good as the Unstoppables. So check them out at Wilkinson's, and they seem to be the only place that do them, but I would check those out. They're really good value. I'm not sure how much they are. I think they might be £3, but they are definitely cheaper than the Unstoppables. Oh, sorry, 2 lots of the pearl things. Right, she also got me a washing machine cleaner. Now, you probably remember one of my previous videos where I said I needed to wash my machine. This is obviously going to be a backup. I need to use the other one because I try and do it like every 6 months. So there's another one there. So that'll give me a nice backup for the next one after that. So that's really good. She got me some more drain cleaner. Again, you've seen this in a previous video. This is really handy for getting rid of any of those nasty sort of smells that are down the sink. This kind of really good in unblocking that. I know you can use soda crystals and vinegar if you want to, but I find this works just as well, and I think it's about 79p, so I really recommend that as well. She always as well gets me some baby wipes. I like these to just wipe down just like your hands when you're doing your makeup. I like it to just wipe, you know, if you're getting makeup onto your compacts and all that, I just like to give them a bit of a wipe over before I put them away. So I do use baby wipes. Sometimes I might use them to take my makeup off if I've run out of something else, but that's not that often. But they do kind of come in handy just to mop up any spills or wipe down anywhere where I've spilled makeup and stuff. So I do keep them in here quite regularly. And she's got me some pedal bin liners as well, which are really handy. More baby wipes. She's got me some bio waste bags, which is really handy. You know, if you're throwing any food waste away, it's really good to put them in these bio bags. And then what you can do is you can pop them in your green bin, which is kind of like your like garden bin where they can go and decompose basically. So they're really handy as well. They're kind of like decomposing bags, so that's handy. Obviously I've mentioned in previous videos how much I like Morning Fresh. Normally I do like the lavender, but it's quite hard to get hold of out of like Poundland and such. So yeah, lemon fresh is just as nice. So this will go in my stockpile. of washing up liquid. So we've got some classic finish here. This comes in handy. I think these are like £1 for a box, and you get 10 tablets in there. So she's bought me 2 boxes, so 20 tablets altogether. These last us quite a while as well, so they're really, really handy too. Right, the next item she got me as well is plugins. I always like to have these sort of dotted around the house just to keep it smelling fresh. So yeah, I do like a plug-in, so that makes everywhere smell really nice. In my bag as well, she got me some bleach, really handy for toilets, just like disinfecting places as well. So I do like a tub, I do like a bottle of bleach. Right, she got me a few hand soaps. This one's, oh, don't drop it. This one's from Avon. It's actually Sensual Mystique, so exotic rose and jasmine, so that looks really, really nice. And then she obviously got me a nice Carex one, so these will go and replace anyone that has gotten empty. In my bag as well, she's got me some shower gel, which is really handy. We use that quite a lot. And she's got me a little spray. Now I only have one spray unit, which is in the kitchen. To be fair, I don't really use them much anymore. I kind of go for the plug-in, so she's just got me one of those. She also got me a big box from Asda of the tropical powder. I used to get tablets all the time. It used to be the powdered tablets, but they come in those little wrappers, and obviously they are not recyclable, and I'm trying to help the environment, so I've decided to go for loose powder. I have got a couple of boxes left, so I'm going to use those up, but I've decided I want loose powder from now on. I'm trying to help the environment. I can see that the rest of the box can be recycled because it's cardboard, so yeah, loose powder is the way forward for me because I'm trying to help the environment. The one last thing as well is she got me another of the Avon Senses. This is just an odd thing that she put in there. Jasmine and white musk shower gel again. Ah, that smells really nice. I might actually take that on holiday, so that would be really nice. In my little goodie bag as well off Mum, she's got me, I can get it out of the bag, she's got me a replacement saucepan. Now these are really handy for using in your microwave. Ours is very old and it's kind of cracked now, but we use it to like warm up like beans. Look at that, it's really, really handy. Use it to like warm up beans or spaghetti or anything that needs to be put in there, and they're really handy little units. Ours, as I say, is all cracked at the moment, so we needed a replacement, so she's got me one of those, which is brilliant. Thank you, Mum. Right, so basically I need to put all of this away. So I'm going to bag it all up and I'm going to take you downstairs to the kitchen with me, and we'll go and have a look in the garage at the stockpile. So yeah, let's. Right, we're down in the kitchen. We're going to put the stuff away. So here's the bags. 4 bags full of stuff. Right, we've got this kitchen cupboard here. As you can see, it kind of needs a tidying out. So we have obviously 2 boxes in here already of dishwasher tablets. We've already got a bit of bleach, we've already got some wipes. We've already got 2 bottles of Morning Fresh, so we don't really need any more in here. We've got my Fabulous Method spray that I love. They're the 2 spare ones. I think the other one's just on the top there with the pots. Yeah, we have a nice little solution of Zoflora and water, so that's just handy for just keeping, you know, like spraying, just making things smell fresh. I just like to spray it anywhere, to be honest. We've got a spare hand soap there. We've got all our sponges and things at the back here. I think this box does need tidying out. We've got like glass cleaner. I love this as well. This is my elbow grease. I've got 2 bottles here. There's my sieve that I like. And oh, we've also got a drain cleaner down here, and I know there's one in the bathroom as well. So to be honest, that's a carpet cleaner, I think. Yeah, some sort of carpet cleaner. So to be honest, I don't need to put anything in here. I think everything else might need to go into the garage. So moving on to, because we've got a sink in the utility as well, let's go over to that sink and I'll show you what we've got in there. We've already got on the top here the tablets that I was telling you about. We've also got here, because I was doing some washing a couple of days ago, some of the Boost Fresh, and we're using yellow comfort at the moment. So we've got these already. So in here, this is a slightly more organised cupboard, I think. We've got some bleach, I've got some surface polish, and we've got some shake and vac. I think behind there we've got a washing machine cleaner. Oh, and we have another washing machine cleaner. So that's 2 in the house already, so the rest will have to go out. We've got plenty of flash bathroom. That's rubbish, doesn't need to be here. Yeah, this space is empty because the stuff that's on the top needs to go back in the drawer. And we've got some fabric stain remover, so I use that if I've got any stains on anything. There's another wrapper. And then we've obviously got the flash that goes in the mop bucket, and we've got a load of like cloths and things here, spare cloths to wipe down, like buffers and things. So there's just loads of cloths there. So yeah, so what I'm gonna do is obviously put away the stuff that we're using right now. So they've got to go away, and the pearls. And what I'll do is I'll take the rest into the garage and rotate, obviously bring out the rest of the boxes and bring them in here, and obviously put the powder in there. So let's go over to the garage stockpile. I don't think you guys have ever seen this, so exciting times. So I'm going to bring the bags out as well because I need to put them on the shelves, so let's go out there. Right, so here we are in the garage. Yes, here's the stockpile. So we have some floor cleaner, we've got some Cif power cream that I don't use. We've got some spare spray stuff that I don't use that often now. It's got some black bags, some spare ones. We've got some more of this fabrics powder, stain remover. We've got plenty of pledge going on here, 3 lots. So Mum, if you're watching, this is exactly what I've got and what I don't need. So we've got 3 lots of finish already. We've got a powder here already. Oh, right, so this is the last powder. So I'm going to take the little powder indoors, I think, and bring the big powder outside. Or shall I just leave the big one? Yeah, what I'll do is I'll leave the big one indoors. It makes sense. We've obviously already got 1, 2, 3 strawberry and lilies already, and I've got to take the other one. I've got to bring the other ones out. And then we've got 2 bleaches there. We've got some kitchen foil that Mum sometimes get. We've got some Tresemme there. We've got some more hand soap, and we've got some soft and gentle. I did get these on a deal actually, which I can tell you about. It's basically an app where you can get some free things. So if you're interested, yeah, I'll leave some links below. I'm trying to think of the name of it. I can't remember, but I'll leave the info in the description below. Some surface wipes, some more wipes. They're from Wilko's. Some pads, some spare dishcloths, which I've got loads inside. Oh, and we've got some more Glade in here. And Jinky. Hi, Jinky. And we've also got some bath stuff. So bath soak. We have some upstairs in the bathroom as well because I keep the cupboard stocked too. So we've got 2 shelves here dedicated to stuff. Obviously these ones are bike gear and an array of other things storage wise. So like gardening things. But anyway, so what I need to do is bring the other stuff outside. So right, so I'm going to do a quick time lapse of me putting this stuff away. Everything, I'm just going to whip you round. I put everything away. Got loads of those now. Powder's still there. We've got extra ones of these, so don't need any more of that. Got bleach, got bags. I've got more inside as well. Actually, I've got more stuff here than the shelves will allow. So that's everything. I am going to bring some stuff in as well. Let's just head back indoors. Right, I'm going to tidy the kitchen. As you can see, it's a little bit messy. So we're going to finish off now with a quick time lapse of me cleaning up, and then I'll say goodbye. Here, I hope you enjoyed it. If you want to give me a big thumbs up, that'd be brilliant, and if you want to subscribe, you can do in the link below. That's it for today's video, and I will see you all for the next video. Bye.